Good evening, sir. Myself Girish. I am here to explain my project regarding contact management. Contact management is nothing but it is a simple console application without graphics. It is similar to the contact manager in cell phones. In this project, you can add, view, edit, search, and delete contacts. All added and editing records are saved in a file. Contact management is project is written in C. This is a simple GUI based project which is very easy to understand and use. Talking about the system, it contains all the required functions which include adding, viewing, deleting and updating contact lists. In this project, we discussed about contacts by name, phone number, address and email. File handling has been used to record all data. I used data structure to store the username, email and contact. Overall, understanding the simple source code of this project will teach you how to add, edit, search, list and remove data using file. So here is the source code. Oh, so sophisticated contact managers provide calendar sharing features and allow colleagues to access this same database. The main reference standard is the vCalendar. So I'm executing the code. So here showing 6 options: add a new contact, list all contacts, search for contact, edit a contact, delete a contact and exit. I'm clicking for option 1. I'm typing one random person name and his phone number, address wise, and his email address. I'm get back to main menu by clicking option 1. Now I'm entering option 2 to list all contacts. So here is the contact of that person. Again, while enter, I'm going back to main menu. Now I'm clicking option 3 to search for contact. Already I saved by name the boss. So here is the address, mail, phone number and email. Here is showing try again, so I didn't need that, so I'm clicking 0. Again I'm get back to main menu by clicking enter 1. Well, I want to edit that contact, so I'm clicking option 4. I saved that contact as boss, so I'm editing that contact by boss to the Vamsi. Again I'm type phone number, address Vizag, email address @gmail.com. So going to main menu, search for contact 3, typing Vamsi. Here is that Vamsi phone number, address Vizag, email. No, I didn't do again, so I'm clicking 0. Going to main menu. I want to delete that contact by clicking 5. Enter the name of the contact to delete, so boss. So that contact will be deleted. His phone number, his address, his email, all the stuff will be deleted. by clicking file. I'm going to main menu 1. So exit. Yes. So here is the output for this contact management. So here is the code. In this project, we discussed about contacts by names, phone numbers, and email address. It is a software program that enables users to easily store and find contact information. Mm. Mm. So yeah, in this program, I used some functions to store the contacts, to delete the contacts, to edit the contacts, to search the contacts, to list of all the contacts. Mm, Flush is one of the function in this project, in this code. Here is the to remove the content, nothing but deleting the content. So summary of the project is contact management. There are three key trends in contact management, that is high value and versus transactional, multi-channel, increasing automation. The speed of transformation in customer contact management is accelerating. Mm, we need to save so many contacts, like our friends contacts is and their phone numbers, emails, address. um, Actually, their contacts also saved by their images also, but I wrote this code up to edit the deleting the contact. Background optional of this project is nothing but centralized repository of contact information ready to use data with searching, sales tracking, email integration, scheduling of appointments and meetings, document management, notes and conversation management, import or export utility. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you, sir.